How to use threads to build a community. So, in order to do this, what we can do is we need to first establish our brand. So, my brand is daily tutorials, and you just need to look for the specific audience that you want for your community. So, my target is to be the go to place for easy and effective tutorials. So, right there, we need to find for the consumers or people for our community that have the same goals. So click on this plus icon and then enter in your discussion. For example, right here, let me know your tech worries or your tech problems. And then when you post something like this, you just need to up the engagement for this one and let people engage with this and then help them with their problem. So the key is finding your brand in order to establish this. So that's how you use threads to build the community. Hope we help.